What I'm working on today is this Miller's Falls Langdon Acme miter box. Now, I bought this at the flea market probably about 2 years ago. I actually bought two of them for $1 a piece. The person I bought them from said they came out of an old foundry and it was missing some pieces. In fact, the other one was missing the same pieces, but I did manage to buy one of the missing pieces that goes here. The saw guide post, also the locking mechanism, and got another little odd piece here, a lockdown bolt, and I'm just going to keep looking. Eventually I can I'll get enough pieces to put this thing back into working order. I mean, if I had the missing pieces, it'd be fine. There's no other damage to it. It just has missing pieces, unfortunately. The other one is about the same condition. Now, after I got them, they were really dirty, and I restored what I had, and what I'm going to do is clean these up and repaint them, and I'll be able to put them on there. And unfortunately I didn't get everything I needed to complete the miter box and get it back into working order, but I'm going to keep looking. Eventually I'll get it. What I'm missing is this front saw guide, like this one here in the back. I also have the depth stops not around. I can make those, not a big deal to make those. It's just that one piece. I could put this one back into working order, find a saw for it, get it going again. Now, I think I have some photos of these before I redid them, and if I can find them, I'll put those on the end of this video, but eventually we'll get the pieces and get this thing back together. Alright, I finished cleaning up this saw guide post for this Miller's Falls miter box, and I just used a wire wheel and some sandpaper. Most of the paint was gone off of it. It really wasn't rusty, and also the locking and unlocking lever here, I screwed that back on. I did have to find a screw to replace one of the ones that was damaged on that, but this miter box is still not going to be complete. The front saw guide is missing. There's a couple other pieces that are missing. There's a plunger that fits in here that allows you to pull the saw guides up and hang the saw up in the air, and the depth stop's missing right here. Now, if you had the saw guide, you could still use the miter box. It'd be a little bit of a pain in the butt to use it like that, but you could still use it. Now, this just bolts on, and I'm just going to put this on there, put it back on the shelf for now, and keep looking for the missing parts. It's just really just a carriage bolt that goes down through here. Then you just have this barrel nut, or whatever you want to call it, goes up underneath. Now, on this particular model, you can loosen that up. And it allows you to move it out to cut larger material. And then you have the lever here. This unlocks the arm so you can swing it. It also, if you want to lock it in between the detents, you turn it in the opposite direction, and that'll lock it in if you wanted to cut an odd angle, say 33 degrees or something like that. You can set it up here on the vernier scale, and you can lock it in just by turning it in the opposite direction. But that's it for now on this one. Hopefully I'll find the missing pieces. I mean, these are great miter boxes, and hopefully I'm going to be able to put it back into working condition.